Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a quick overview at the StarCamp Quick and Easy Air Sun Canopy. This is the 385 by Dorema. So come and join us. So this is the StarCamp Quick and Easy Air Sun Canopy by Dorema. Now they do make these in three sizes. This is the largest, the 385. So we're going to take a little look at it in a little bit more detail. But first, let's have a look what you get inside the bag. So let's take a look at it in more detail. Now firstly, we've got the bag. I like to see that this has got an oversized bag and it's made of a heavy duty nylon. Now the oversized bag idea I think is great because 9 times out of 10 most of us cannot get them back in the bag from new. We tend to fold them up a little bit bigger, so it compensates for that, which I think is a clever idea. Now on the opposite side of the bag there is a clear pouch, and in this you'll find the instruction booklet and a patch repair kit for the tube system. So as we've undone it for the first time, we can see that we've got a bag of pegs, the air pump itself, this is not electric, it's a hand pump, and also the bracer tubes, which I'll explain more about further through the video. So here's the peg bag. I'm quite impressed, it's a padded peg bag, so it stops the actual pegs piercing through the bag and causing damage to your sun canopy. A nice touch. So let's see what type of pegs we get. So inside the peg bag we have the standard steel pegs, ideal for grass, not so much for hard standing. I would recommend that you replace these for rock pegs if you're using hand standing a lot. And we also have the ladder rung adapters for pegging the actual sun canopy to the ground. So the final thing is the hand pump itself. This is quite sturdy construction and it has a pressure gauge on the top to allow you not to overinflate. Also it has multi adapters so that you can use this to pump up your air beds as well. The sun canopy took approximately 15 minutes to build, and it was very easy to fit through the awning rail. So the Quick and Easy Air is a single point inflation tube system, and also it comes with 3 additional support sections like this one, and these fit in very easily. They're inflated individuals and they slot in like so with the Velcro, and they fit quite tight to the actual frame itself. Now there are 3, like I said, there's one in the centre and one on either side. So the material that this is made of is 150 denier, and it is the WeatherTex material by Dorema, and it is very durable and waterproof. Now one of the features I really do like about this are these side windows here. They let in a lot of light, and also they're very flexible because if you unzip this here like so, you can either roll this back to allow a lot more fresh air in, or you can remove it completely in the really hot months during summer. So this is the side panels themselves. Now I like the fact that it's also got wings, so we'll take a look at the wings now and the single point inflation. So here we have the wings themselves. Now these can be angled at different angles, and they're brilliant because they actually prevent the wind from going into the actual sun canopy as well, and they'll deflect some of the weather as well. On this side we also have a single point inflation, which has a nice cover to it there. So very easy, it takes between 5 and 8 psi, no more than that. The StarCamp Quick and Easy Air has 2 guy ropes and also includes 2 storm straps for extra security. The canopy also has ladder tie downs for adjustable pegging. At either end of the roof section there are additional triangle sections which strengthen the sun canopy. So everyone, that was a quick overview of the StarCamp Quick and Easy Air Sun Canopy by Dorema. We're going to be using this long term for the whole season, so we're going to be reporting back to you as to how it's fared and if we've had any issues with it at all. I like the material straight away. It's a really good thick quality for its price point, and I also like these windows. But we've got to live with it for a few months and then we can report back. I think that's a fair assessment of any product these days. So we'll get back to you in a few months' time. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you are interested, I'll leave a link to Dorema's website below. But in the meantime, bye for now.